Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and lose weight by healing their gut and nourishing their body with superfood. On this channel, you will get simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is you won't feel overwhelmed or deprived. In today's video, we are making fermented chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding has become pretty popular. There's so many variations. It's super easy and quick. It's healthy. You can make it for breakfast. You can make it for snacks. And it's delicious. Well, in today's video, we are taking your chia seed pudding up a notch by fermenting it. Let me show you how we do this. There's two different ways that you can make your fermented chia seed pudding. And I'll be making both ways to show you which one works best, if any of them works best. So stay till the end and you'll get to see which one of the two recipes yields the best results. For both recipes, you need canned coconut milk. I'm using 1 can, and it also depends on the thickness you want and how rich you want your chia seed pudding. Or you can use a can of coconut milk and a can of water to make it a bit less rich. So it's up to you. It depends on your own preference. In this particular recipe, I'll be using a can of coconut milk and a can of water. And then you'll need your chia seeds. And you'll be using your whole chia seeds. You'll need about 1/3 of a cup to a whole cup. Again, it depends on what texture you're looking for. In this recipe, since I'll have a whole liter of liquid with my can of coconut milk and my can of water, I'll be using a cup of chia seeds. Let's get started. Putting the can of coconut milk, a can of water, a cup of chia seeds. Now, most chia seed pudding recipes call for whole chia seeds, and you may notice that I used ground chia seeds. It doesn't really matter because you're putting them in the blender. So if you are using whole chia seeds, they'll get ground up in the blender. Now, you can use your seasoning of choice. Vanilla is a fairly popular one, and I don't have vanilla on hand right now, so I'm using cinnamon. In one of the jars, I'm using coconut milk kefir as a starter, and I'll put about 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna mix it. In my other jar, I'll use probiotic capsules as a starter. I'll put 2 capsules. If you want to use coconut milk kefir as your starter, you can also make your own coconut milk kefir. I have another video on that and I'll link it here. You're going to cover your jars loosely and let them sit on the counter from 12 to 24 hours. It's been 24 hours. Now is the time to compare our 2 fermented chia seed pudding recipes. This container is my probiotic capsule, fermented chia seed pudding. The texture is good. We're going to add some thawed frozen fruit. Now let's set out the one made with the coconut milk kefir. Same texture, a little bit of berries. Taste test time. This one is a chia seed pudding made with the probiotic capsule. It has a tang to it. You can tell that it was fermented. I would say that the one made with the kefir is milder. It tastes milder, but better. I think it could be due to the bacteria strains. Coconut milk kefir has specific bacteria strain. The probiotic capsule has different probiotic strains. Maybe the strains used in coconut milk kefir are better for making chia seed pudding. There's not a huge difference though. I would say that the one made with the probiotic capsule is just a little bit of an aftertaste. If you're curious, I also made a similar video with a coconut milk kefir recipe. And so I'll link that here and you can check it out. See if the taste is reflected with our coconut milk kefir as well. I hope you found this video useful, and comment below, let me know if you are going to try out one of these recipes. And if you have any questions, you can ask them also below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.